Episode 311, Quantum Gravity. Why it never unified. The missing architectural layer. Quantum gravity is often called the holy grail of physics. Decades of work, no unification. That failure is not mathematical. It is architectural. What science is trying to do? Quantum mechanics describes probability at small scales. General relativity describes geometry at large scales. Science has tried to merge them at the equation level. That's the mistake. The core problem. Quantum mechanics assumes a probabilistic field of possibilities. Relativity assumes a deterministic spacetime geometry. They are not competing theories. They are different layers of the same system. The missing layer. Between quantum probability and space-time geometry exists a rendering architecture, a compiler layer, 9-dimensional compiler layer, a field that translates probability into geometry. Physics skipped this layer. Gravity is not a force. Gravity is not a fundamental interaction. It is a coherence gradient. Mass is not attracting mass. Space-time is responding to rendered density. Why quantization of gravity fails? You cannot quantize a derivative effect. Trying to quantize gravity is like quantizing a shadow. The source is upstream. What actually happens? Quantum probability exists in the field. The compiler resolves probability based on coherence, stability, and compatibility. The result appears as curvature. That curvature is what we call gravity. Why experiments don't work? Experiments search for gravitons. There is no particle to find. There is only a process. Unification reframed. Quantum mechanics equals possibility space. General relativity equals rendered outcome. The missing link is equal to the execution logic. Add that and unification is trivial. Key insight. Quantum gravity fails because gravity is not quantum. It is compiled. Practical clarity. When architecture is missing, equations profiltrate. When architecture is included, paradoxes vanish. Quantum gravity was never unsolved. It was misframed. Next, we will examine the measurement problem. Why observation collapses probability. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow for more online content. And if you're new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively from there. And also please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs and free FMPs from the link in my bio. Thank you.